All right, we have some breaking news right now at 11:45. This just in here. The lawsuit filed by the Trump campaign and the Republican Party of Georgia. They had been suing Chatham County over 53 ballots that they had presumed had been brought in after Election Day. That was the allegation in the lawsuit, that those ballots that had been brought in after Election Day, they were requesting and filing suit for those ballots to not be counted. We just got word that a judge has thrown that lawsuit out. This was affecting about 53 ballots that they were disputing there in Chatham County. That's the Savannah area. We just heard from the Secretary of State's office that says they have about 17,000 ballots that still need to be counted there.